Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100,000 subscriber? Chances are you do. And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000 subscribers. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you, taught a friend, or maybe you showed up as recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you built. We're proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Button Award. Congratulations! We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your million subscribers, we pray just right to you and us. Do you remember your 100,000 subscriber? Yours sincerely, Neil Mohan, YouTube, Sayo. So this is it. Presented to Rubilin Agbon for passing the 100,000 subscriber. This is my YouTube channel award. This is it, the fruit of my sacrifices.